Hello children, how are you today? I hope you're all doing well. Now our friends have been requesting me to make an origami fish. So I decided to make this fish here. So this fish is what we are going to make today. Now bring a piece of paper, any color, any size is okay, but make sure it's a square piece of paper. Okay, let's start making our fish. Now with this paper, we have to fold it like this first. Open it up and fold it in half like this again. Now fold this little lower edge here and bring it to the middle line and do the same thing on the other side. Open it up and then fold it like this on the other side. Now take the colored side like this and bring the corner to the middle or the center of the paper. This is what we call the Jabutomori folding technique. Now bring all 4 corners to the center like this. Now it looks like an envelope. Now open it up, then fold it backwards like this along these edges or along these folding lines. Now look, there's like a box in the middle, so you have to push in all those flaps inside. Then you will see there are 4 small squares inside the big one square. Now open one flap up like this and do the same thing on the other side. Now to make the back fins of the fish, this part needs to be folded like this. Did you see that? If not, I will show you on the other side as well. Look here, like that. Now this part, this edge comes to the middle like this. And can you see this part? It has to be lifted up. Again, the same on this. The corner edge, the lower edge comes to the middle. Then the flap part is folded backwards. Now to make the face. Can you see this part? You can fold it like this or you can fold it like this, and I think it will look better like this. So that this part is divided into 2, you can do it like that. I think it will look better that way. Now do the same thing on the other side. Now turn it around and see. Isn't that a beautiful fish? Isn't it easily made? Now if you want it to have nicer fins, you can open it up like that and press it down like this. You can fold in like this only on one fin or on both fins. Let's draw eyes, and scales like this in different patterns, different colors. Now I want you all to join our arts lessons so you can draw as beautifully as possible. My drawings aren't that nice, but if you join the arts class on DP Kids, you can draw beautifully. Now see our little fishy. We have completed the fish, making the fish. So now you can also make something like this and tell us all about it. So we'll see you soon with another video like this. So I hope you will stay safe and be healthy. Okay, bye bye.